Hey guys, it's Aisha. A bit of a hurry today. Here is my shaker for today. I got my shaker in here already. Here's my water. And today I'm gonna do strawberry. Pretty excited about that. Kind of powdery. Really like the idea of the packets, you know, so I could just literally take it anywhere without worrying too much about space. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Got my 12 ounces of water. I learned from yesterday that I'm probably going to need all of them. Oh, look at that. Alright. It's thin enough that it's going through here, which is good. Strawberry tastes pretty good. Same consistency as the chocolate, but it's, you know, it's not as strong though. Chocolate was very strong. This is actually pretty good. I kind of like the strawberry, you know? I'm not sure how it compares to the soy. I really like the soy. The taste of the soy was pretty good. This is kind of okay. And there it is. I'll let you guys know how the rest of the day goes. I didn't pack any food, so I hope that Shakeology will keep its promise today. Alright, check in with you later. Hello. So I just got home. It is 9:55. I drank Shakeology, remember, in the car at 7 o'clock. So it's been almost 3 hours, and I gotta tell you, I'm now starting to feel hungry. On my way home, I started to feel hungry, and it was about a 30-minute trip. So almost 3 hours, and I still would not consider Shakeology a full meal replacement. I think it's more like a snack replacement. It will definitely replace my snack. I really enjoyed the strawberry over the chocolate, the taste, but I think the soy protein still tastes better than both Shakeologies, unfortunately. But if I had to pick, I would drink the strawberry. The end of day 2. Tomorrow's day 3. Last day of the phase 2. So, alrighty, I'll see you tomorrow.